All right, now that you have calculated your mean to come out to be 82, we are going to calculate the standard deviation by hand. So you're going to set up a chart with me, put x in your first column, draw a line, going across. We're going to do x minus this little u symbol called mu in the second column, and then in the third column, we're going to square our results. So what do we know about our information here? Mu is the symbol for mean. We have that number. The x's are all your data values here. So you're going to fill in your left column with me right now as 77, 89, 71, 94, 95, and 66. And then I'm going to set up a little bit more. We're going to be doing, in this last column, I'm going to put a circle here. We're going to find the sum. So I'm going to start this off for you, and then I will let you finish this. The middle column will do x here minus our mean of 82. So if I do 77 minus 82, I get negative 5. Now be careful with your negatives, because when you square them, you want a positive answer. So use parentheses or don't even put the negative in at all. Then we're going to do it again. We'll do 89 minus 82. That gives us 7. And then 7 squared is, think about it, 49. Now if you're not sure about this, you use your calculator for that part. You're going to do the rest of this column the same way. And then you're going to add up your results and put them in that circle down here. To calculate standard deviation, it's very similar to the mean, but we're going to do the square root. So we're going to do square root of the sum that we got in that last circle divided by how many data values, which in this case is 6. Then on the next page, you're going to check your work with your graphing calculator. So you're going to hit your Stat, Edit button. You're going to clear out your list, so go up top, hit clear, and enter. And then you'll type in all your values. Double check that everything is good, and I just realized I messed up my last one, so let's fix that. And then once you've typed those in, you go to Stat again, Calc, and you pick the first one. I'm not going to fully do it because I want you to go on and do that and check your work. So you should be finishing up the chart and then doing the rest of the information. When you're finished, you'll call one of your teachers over to talk about the last question and what the standard deviation means in relation to the mean of your data.